Love you.
Did you hear that?
Let's go. Someone might be coming.
This way.
Gosh, I can't even feel my legs.
There you are. We looked for you everywhere. I was about to ask for help.
Chill, guys. I was looking for those too. They went missing first, if I remember well. But I might have hit my head on a tree, so...
Sorry. We got lost, but we found our way back.
Really? The both of you? Wow.
Look, I don't know what the happened, but we should head back now. We already missed out on all of today's activities anyway.
We had dinner in the cafeteria. I was feeling kind sad about how fast time seemed to go by and how short the whole trip seemed. This was our last night here and we would be leaving tomorrow morning. But there was still something we needed to take care of.
I'm getting more food. Be right back.
Do it now, Taylor.
Huh? Fine.